the girl of my dreams on a week, so I sleep and I see my reality. Battle me, that's your fatality. Actually, I'm a catastrophe. Go to your school and they ask for me. I'm in your class making cash and we fruity like passion is burning like ashes. We had to just make this ish happen. He rapped.
I don't know what went into that process. I met the criteria to be selected, but I wasn't.
What is good, budget family? It is your boy, Sneakerhead on a Budget, one of the hardest working sneakerheads on YouTube. Go give me a like, share, subscribe. It definitely helps the algorithm because YouTube be holding your boy down out here. Alright, so peep this. Boom. Okay, so if y'all seen my video last week, y'all seen that I was really upset with Nike. I felt like, you know, the exclusive access, like what was going on with that. And shout out to the budget fam out there. You guys threw me a bunch of advice on what to do with my app. Some people gave me advice on how to turn it off, and log it off and log it back on. A lot of people gave me other advice on what to do on it, and so I went ahead and took all that into account. You know, again, the video was definitely not hating on anybody. I was just kind of disappointed in how to roll out because I felt like, okay, I did all the necessary things. So I went ahead and looked at everything else, and it just so happened after listening to you guys, and additional to what I was already doing, it happened. It happened. So I went ahead and got exclusive access to the Dunks, and so we got them right here. So let's go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and check these out, only because Nike be playing. And quick thing to Nike, I know we told y'all no more black Just Do It tape on here, but that don't mean like don't put tape on it at all. So this is why people are stealing stuff. Let's just go in and grab it. Come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. Let's go ahead. But before we get into that, I know I have y'all waiting. I'm gonna do more unboxings. I got some more stuff here. Somebody so unbox it. Okay, I got these coming in, and these are from my favorite artists. Oh, I'm so excited about this open. Woo! Oh, this is fresh. This is fresh. This is fresh. Ooh. Food and liquor. Ooh, this is, oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh. The Lupe Fiasco had a pop-up, had some merch, and I definitely wanted to go in and grab some of that stuff. And look at that. That is so dope. I'm gonna go ahead and bust these open. This is sick. Oh, this is sick. Oh, there's no pull tabs on here. Oof. I'm a little worried about that. You know, you can tighten it up. I don't want these to be too loose. But this is dope. Look at that. Food and liquor. Oh, you can't even see. I'm liquor. This is dope. So you definitely have some merch on. This is pretty sick right here. Pretty dope. And then I got one more thing from it. Had to. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Hold on. Oh. Hey, look at that. Look at that. That is sick. That is so sick. Check that out. That is dope, y'all. That is really dope. Got the whole combo going. Oh, you know the fit about to be crazy. The fit about to be crazy. Let's go ahead and get to the moment y'all been waiting for. Let's go ahead and check this out. Again, thank y'all for all the advice for last week. Again, that wasn't a video to bash anybody or do anything like that, or even spread any negativity. There's definitely a lot of love in the comments. A lot of people were hoping everybody else got exclusive access, and that's what the sneaker community should be about. And I appreciate that too, because I looked at those comments, man. And yeah, you had your occasional trolls here and there, but there's a lot of people who gave great advice to everybody, and everybody took it. There's a lot of dialogue that happened in there, and I really appreciate that, because that was really dope. And that's what the sneaker community is about, helping each other out. Just go ahead and talk, and that's how it used to be. And we kind of got away from that, but it was nice to see that in the comments, though. So let's go ahead and check these out, because I know this is what y'all waiting for. Ain't no tape on it, so let's go ahead and just peel this box back, alright? Okay, so I definitely didn't go ahead and look at which ones these were. So I don't know. I don't know. But here they go. Check these out, man. Check out the box. Check out the box, bro. This is crazy. This is crazy. So we went ahead, and it's the sportswear. It says Nike sportswear up top, as you see right there. I don't know if it'll focus. Nike Sportswear up top right there. And you see the box has a little design. I really love the Off-White box designs only because it's something different. And I love something different. When it's just a regular box, you kind of get like over it. I'm not going to lie. But when you see something like this, it's really different and it's really cool. And I really appreciate it. And that's dope. I just love the innovation. So we take it off. So the box takes off like that. As you see the Nike right there. Has the Nike symbol right there. And again, that is cool. That is real dope. And has a little tag on the inside. We'll put that down. The paper. If the Off-White paper says 1985. When they look at that, that's kind of cool too. Again, you know me, I always give them crap about the regular white paper, and so it's kind of cool to see this on it. Want to see more of the box. So on the box it has the model right there, it has the collaborator, it has Virgil, right? It has the season right there, and it has everything here. So as you can see right already, it's already telling me a lot 4. I didn't actually look at these, so I don't know what these are. So if you already know what this lot is, then you know. I haven't taken a peek, I just let it go through. And so, as you see, it tells you what lot it is right there. And then it gives you the size right there and the size code for the people who love to see the code. There it goes right there. As you see this little metal piece right here, which is kind of cool. And the rest of the box is see-through. Let's go ahead and open these up. Again, this is my first time looking at these. First time having these on hand, so let's go ahead. I still can't get away from the white paper. Oh my god, I still can't. Oh! Yo! And this is the one. This is the one. Now I know they had some of the ones with the suede and some of the ones with the leather. A lot of people like that furry suede. Yo, look at this. This is kind of cool. I'm not gonna hold you. This is kind of dope. Look at that leather quality. You got the 450 right there at the bottom. If you see it right there. Look at the quality right there. So these are crazy. You got the silver right here. So the Beaverton, Oregon. Has a 1985. Look at that right there. The Dunk has this piece right here. Made in Vietnam. Look at that. Has a little pull tag right there with the laces. I wonder if it comes with extra laces. With the laces. Then look at the inside. Has a little logo right there. So no shoe tree, paper shoe tree. It is what it is. And if you look on the inside, maybe you can see, maybe you can't. There's like a Nike symbol back there. You can't see it right there. A Nike symbol right there. Nike in the back. Signature Off-White tongue. Got the little tear in it right there. Got that Nike symbol right there on the tongue as well. And this overall is a really, really dope shoe. If you look at the Off-White and the lot number right there, as you see, it popped up. So this is dope right here. Oh, look at this. So these are pretty nice. The leather quality is decent. I was hoping that it would be like a little softer, but you know, it is what it is. When it comes to look at the, ooh, there's leather on the inside of the shoe too. There's leather on the inside of the shoe. This is actually really dope. This is actually really dope. And it's funny because I said if I had one that had a little bit of green, it'd be a problem. And apparently, it's a problem because these are nice. It's real, real nice. And these are really dope. Look at that. Peep those, guys. Peep that. Go ahead and take a look. I'll go ahead and just shut the hell up and let y'all see it. Crazy, right? And then it has the shoelaces on the lace right there. As you can see, the signature Off-White. And then it has shoelaces right here on these little smaller ones. So that's really dope too. I'm going to check the other one because I kind of want to see if this comes with extra laces. Okay, these don't come with extra laces. It is what it is, but these are kind of dope. These are really dope, actually. These are really, really dope. Actually, and I'm a sucker for green, bro. It would be. I'm a sucker for green, bro, because I'm definitely contemplating on if I was gonna keep these or not. And again, I'm a sucker for that green, dude. Like that's crazy. I wonder if I look good with my tie-dye shirt. Ooh, stop it. Stop it. Slow down. So these are dope. So tell me what you guys think of these. What do you guys think of these Off-White Dunks? And if you got them, tell me about the lot you got. Do you like the one you got? So these came in randomly. You don't get to pick what pair you get. So it kind of is what it is, but it's kind of dope at the same time. It's kind of that mystery, kind of see what you like. It sucks for some people who just like, they don't like the ones they got, and I mean, it is what it is at that point. But there's a lot of people who love the mystery and love seeing stuff like this. It's really dope to see, and this is really cool. And these are really actually freaking dope. So thank y'all for checking out this video. These are crazy. These are crazy. Thank you guys for checking out this video. It's your boy Sneakerhead on the budget. I'll check you next time. Peace.
You love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit.